Hey everyone, today we are diving into Checkmate, the ultimate open source self hosted monitoring tool that helps you track uptime, page speed, and infrastructure health all in one place. Whether you are managing personal projects, business websites, or crucial infrastructure, Checkmate gives you complete control over your monitoring without relying on third party services. In this video, I will show you how to deploy Checkmate on your local machine, set up monitors for uptime, performance, and infrastructure, and explore its key features. By the end, you will have a fully functional monitoring setup running on your own terms. Let's get started. Here you go. This is the website of Checkmate. Uh, it has a beautiful features like website monitoring, Docker monitoring, incident management, infrastructure monitoring, email notifications, everything. You can go through this website and let's get started with the installation steps. First of all, let's check out the GitHub repository for Checkmate. As you can see, 3.7k stars, including me, and it is an open source project, meaning anyone can contribute to improving it. And you can see there are actively contributing to the open source project Checkmate, 45 contributors as of now, and you can be the part of contribution by using this contribution guide, and as well as you will be having a Discord channel to discuss issues and features and a lot more improvements you can discuss over there. Here you can find the screenshots, and here is the few links you can find. As you wanted to contribute over there, you can quickly go to Discord by here. This is it. You can accept it and go to the channel. So now let's deploy Checkmate on our local machine. So to do that, you should have a Docker desktop running behind. Once you get into the installation guide, you should download the YAML file which you should be using. So Control Alt, Control C, and open up your VS Code. It is your choice. You can paste here that file named docker compose.yaml. I have created folder called Checkmate so that I can now go to second step. I just need to run docker compose up. I'll just quickly copy that and going to paste here. So you should be running that and you will get some logs over there. You can see it quickly added Redis folder and Mongo folder also. So let's wait until it is done and we can see the magic of Checkmate, how you can monitor your page speed or else infrastructure, anything. So here you go. We are running on the port 7443. So let's see how it is going to run. So it is still writing. Okay, I guess it is installed now. So you can copy this, and according to your port you should be able to see the website. My port is 7443. Now we are able to run our local host at you can run the server in the local host, so you can register by your mail. I have already created a one super admin, so I would like to create another one for your convenience. You can create any password as you wish. And now see, this is your dashboard. Now let's start by setting up Uptime Monitor. This will check if a website or service is running properly. So let's click on this. I'll hide this. So for now, I would like to take example of github.com. I can add my website here as my wish. I can keep it GitHub. It is an HTTPS running on, so I don't need to change anything. Now, if I want any incidents to be notified to me, I can notify via email. I can check this out, and I can in advanced settings. I would like to keep it 5 minutes of frequency to check. So now I'll create it. Now this is how it will look. I'll just open up. So here, after configuring the uptime server monitor, I can see average response rate, fair, incidents, uptime, active for 4 seconds, everything. I mean, I can see here weekly, monthly logs as well. So here are the response times, everything. So, and next we are going to check on page speed monitoring, how you can set up and how you can quickly use that feature. So after successfully we have created uptime server monitor, we can go to page speed monitor. I'll just click on this, and you can see here general settings. I can add anything I want, like I would like to monitor page speed of my youtube youtube, or else whatever you have, the website you wanted to monitor your page speed, you can notify via my mail. Check frequency is 3 minutes. I would like to change it to any time, I 1 week, 1 day, 1 hour, anything. So I will keep it as default. I'll just create monitor, and I can see here the accessibility, best practices, performance, search engine optimization, performance report, performance metrics, whatever you want to, however you want your page speed or else page is running, you can just monitor and see the logs or else report of your website. So if you want to configure, you can pause the page speed monitor for a while and you can start it again, and you can save it. So I haven't changed anything, so it will not let me save. And we are going to create an infrastructure monitor to keep track of system health, like CPU and RAM, disk space, not whatnot. You can track anything. So you can have your server here, or else API. You wanted to test out how it is working on a particular monitor or else infrastructure of your application, inside your application. So I'll just keep something here. This is my LinkedIn profile. You should be having authorization secret. If you have an API, I would like to keep Postman. So for example, I'm taking an API endpoint so that we can test out. This can be very helpful for any website developer or else DevOps guy who wanted to do anything. So this is my API running in my application. I would like to test it out, so I can just keep it here. So it is an HTTP method. I have to remove this because it is already there. It will take like that. So it is email setting. I will name it as an authorization secret I have to add. So same as everything, I can get notified for my mail, and you can customize your CPU by percentage of usage. When 20% of your CPU is occupied, then you should be get notified your CPU got 20 percentage, more than 20 percentage usage by this API, like that. Even you can keep it memory as well, how much percentage it is getting used. Temperature is optional, or else you can keep it any temperature, you can keep it up. So check frequency can be your custom. So in here, I'll click on create. Okay, I'm getting an error, so I need to keep an authorization secret here. So this is it. So this is how you can use it, and you can check out your incidents, maintenance. uh, So actually, this is how you can install Checkmate and create PageSpeed monitors and Uptime monitor servers and infrastructure servers, monitor servers as well. So I would like to see demo which is already there in the website, so that you can see the whole how the application can be used, or else how the application will be looking like. So this is how Uptime monitors, as we have seen. This is how uptime things, total checks, uptime percentage, incidents, average response rate, response time, like this. Yeah, you can click on Google and see how it is responding. See score history. So accessibility is in blue line, and brown is for best practices, green is for performances, and gray color or else white color is SEO 92 percentage. So that's how you can see your performance report is 91. So like this, you can see everything here given. So as we can see, this test server already there. So status, CPU, and memory, disk, uptime, OS, everything can be monitored from here itself. This is a great application. You can see the instance of your websites, all the servers you have given to the Checkmate. See here, status down, date and time, status code, message, and even you can check by timelines. You can check by hourly, daily, or else weekly. Everything you can check there. And if you want to create a maintenance server or else maintenance window, so this is mainly friendly. So because you can write like start monitoring at 12:30 a.m. for 60 minutes. So I can give it to like how many times I can use this. Do not repeat, repeat daily, repeat weekly, as my wish. On a particular day I would like to. So this is how duration, I will keep it 60. I would like to change this hours, sorry, 60 minutes, could be very high. if I keep it 60 hours for maintenance. So I will keep test server add monitors for Google. I'll just quickly create on it, and I can see. mm, so that is how you can do that. And Checkmate gives you the profile management, and also you can see you can change your time zone of the dashboard. As I'm in India, I would like to select Kolkata, which is my nearest area time zone. So if I wanted to change things to dark theme as well, I can change here. I can save it here, and now see, there is something you can leverage by account thing when you are in super admin. So I have the profile, password, and also I can add my or else invite my team member to be the guy who can see things. This is my another mail.com. Select role. I can give him as a user or admin. So I can send invite. I'll see. This is how Checkmate will be used. And also there is a lot of things you can leverage from this Checkmate open source monitoring tool. So you can get support from Discord. You can join over there, accept invite. If you are an contributor, you wanted to be a contributor for Checkmate, you can quickly create an discussion and request for feature or this issue advancements or improvements. You can keep it here. So and then you can read docs anytime. You can read everything here. So this is all about Checkmate. So finally, I would like to know your final thoughts how this open source tool can be a game changer while you don't have to use any third party service. You are on your own server. You can run on your own server IP address as well. You can see the docs and have a look. So that's complete walkthrough of Checkmate. We deployed it locally, set up different types of monitors, and explored key features. Checkmate is a great tool for anyone looking for self-host their monitoring solution with complete control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment below with any questions. See you in the next one.